If you've been thinking of moving to the south pero ayaw mo ng stress, construction, and waiting, this house might be exactly what you're looking for. Hi everyone, this is Christina Navarro from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you a ready for occupancy house and lot here at Solen Residences located in Santa Rosa, Laguna. If ikaw yung tao na pagod na sa hassle, ayaw ng construction, and gusto mo na lang mag-move in, then this property is definitely for you. And of course, here's the part that most people ask about. For a 223 square meter prime corner lot with 3 bedrooms, swimming pool, and an open layout design, and just walking distance lang from the main entrance, and of course, napakalapit lang niya from our clubhouse. This entire property is only 25 million. Considering the location, the lot position, and how fast the property values are rising here in Santa Rosa, this is already a very competitive value. Before we go inside, let me quickly share why Solen Residences and why Santa Rosa, Laguna. Santa Rosa is one of the fastest growing cities in the south, near to Calax, SLEX, top schools, and business district, and everything is very accessible. And let's be honest, pataas ng pataas ang property value here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So whether you're buying, this is a family home, or an investment, panalo ka dito. Solen is known for its premium environment, greenery, and napakatahimik and private location. So this property sits on a 223 square meter lot, and yes, this is a corner lot. So corner lots are always more valuable, mas open, mas maliwanag, mas flexible, and higher resale value. Plus, being just a walking distance to the main gate and clubhouse, sobrang convenient, especially when you have a guest and daily access. So before we start to the interior tour, mapapansin nyo rin, we have the 2 carport. So on this side, this will be your carport area. And makikita nyo rin, meron tayo ditong gate. Then this gate will leads you to your dirty kitchen. So if you have a grocery from the supermarket, so hindi nyo na kailangan pang dumaan from the main entrance, this will be your easy access. So mapapansin nyo rin, napaka-wide ng inyong car parking, and syempre from your parking area, so this will be your main entrance. So before we go inside, as we mentioned, this property has a deep pool area. So alam naman natin, here in Solen Residences, this is a gateless community. So makikita nyo on my side, ito na yung ginawang fence ni owner dito. So yung kanyang mga halaman na yung nag-serve as fence para at least makover yung kanyang extra space pa dito. So actually, mapapansin nyo rin, from your main entrance, meron pa rin tayo ditong spacious area, which is na-convert din natin as, syempre kung may additional visitors or guest party, meron pa rin tayo ditong additional table. So as we headed here, makikita nyo rin, nandito naman yung ating deep pool area. So kung meron kayong kids na talagang mahilig mag-swimming, ayaw nyo nang pumuntang clubhouse, so napakaganda nitong property na to. So this property is a fully furnished, a 223 square meter corner lot, 3 bedrooms, and actually we have additional space at the back, which is you can convert to additional room or an office area. So let's begin the tour inside the house. welcome to your new home. So as you can see, as you enter to this house, makikita nyo napaka-open layout nitong ating property. So on this side, this will be your living area. And ang maganda pa dito, makikita nyo rin, meron tayong sliding door on this side, which is, as we mentioned, this property has own swimming pool area. And balik tayo dito sa loob, makikita nyo, ito yung ating sofa. And the other side, actually, meron din tayo ditong sofa rin na available. Which is, syempre, depende na sa atin kung ano pa yung iba nating gustong i-add na furnitures here once na na-purchase nyo itong property na to. So, as we mentioned, this property, you can avail this for only 25 million and fully furnished na siya. So, from your living area, so makikita nyo connected na rin yung ating dining area. So, ayan, naka-marble yung ating table and 8-seaters din siya. So, makikita nyo, meron na rin tayong lighting dito which is nag-a-add din siya ng design dito sa ating property. So, pag diniretso nyo to, makikita nyo rin, nandito yung ating island, and ang maganda pa rin dito, na-customize na rin actually yung island na to. Kasi as you can see sa baba, meron na rin tayong mga storage area, ayan, and meron na rin tayo ditong mga mailalagay pa na magagamit natin here in the kitchen. So, punta tayo dito and makikita nyo, ito naman yung ating sink, and makikita nyo rin, nandyan na yung ating mga cabinets already installed na here. And ang maganda pa rin dito, on this area, meron na rin kayong pwedeng lutuan or may stove na tayo dito. So, syempre later, aside from dito, meron na rin tayong extension for our dirty kitchen. So, as we mentioned, this property is fully furnished. So, kung ano man yung nakikita nyo dito, maa-avail nyo to once you purchase this property. So, from your kitchen area, aside from this, meron tayo ditong dirty kitchen, which is, ito yung ating magiging kitchen if ever mayroon tayong mga pinamili galing sa grocery or wet groceries like yung mga meats. So, pwede na agad natin siyang idiretso dito kasi actually, meron din siyang gate from your parking area. Then, yan is papasok na rin dito sa loob ng ating kitchen area. So, from here to your kitchen area, pupunta naman tayo dito sa ating extra space or makikita nyo dito sa ating likuran from your dining area. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang dito, makikita nyo na agad itong ating space, which is you can maximize this. Pwede nyo gamiting office area or convert it to additional room. Kung may elders tayong kasama, pwede natin itong magamit yung space na to. So, ang kagandahan pa rin dito, meron na rin siyang sariling toilet and bath. And ang advantage pa dyan, actually, that is connected to another space or another storage area. So, depende na sa atin kung paano natin mamamaximize yung space dito. So, from here also, makikita nyo, we have a sliding door here, which is this will lead naman to your pool area. So, kung may kids kayo or mahilig kayong mag-swimming, so napakaganda nitong location natin and ng property na available dito here at Solen Residences. So, from here, makikita nyo rin, meron tayo ditong shower area. So, let's go. Balik tayo sa loob. So, before tayo umakyat sa ating second floor, mapapansin nyo rin, nandito yung ating powder room, which is pag may mga guest tayo or bisita, pwede nila itong magamit pa. So, ayan, yung ating powder room dito sa ground floor. So, from there, akyat naman tayo sa ating second floor. Let's go! So, actually, this property has 3 bedrooms here at second floor. So, kakagawa lang nitong isang room dito ni owner. And mapapansin nyo rin, meron tayong mga ganito sa stairs and other door kasi meron silang kids dito. So, this is our master's bedroom. Yan, makikita nyo, napaka-spacious ng ating master's bedroom. May own toilet and bath na rin siya. So, from your master's bedroom, on this side na malapit sa stairs, actually, meron pa rin tayo ditong isang room. So, makikita nyo rin, napakalaki ng space natin. Nandito na yung ating cabinets. Meron na rin tayong sariling toilet and bath. And ang kagandahan pa rin dito, makikita nyo, napakalaki ng space natin dito sa itaas. This will serve as our balcony. So, kung gusto nyo ng magkaroon ng get-together pa and something na pwede nyo magawa here sa balcony. So, maganda itong location na to. So, actually, makikita niya, napakalapad niya. So, meron pa yan doon sa may gilid natin. So, balik tayo dito sa loob. So, from your balcony, so nakita nyo na yung ating second room dito sa taas. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa ating last room here at second floor. So, as you can see, this one, so meron na rin siya tayong mga double bed and another space pa rito. But actually, depende na sa inyo kung paano nyo siya i-layout pag nabili nyo tong property na to. So, kung gusto nyo siyang i-retain or baguhin, pwedeng-pwede yan dito. So, mapapansin nyo rin, napakataas ng ceiling pa natin dito. So, actually, ito yung additional room na pinagawa dito ni owner. So, makikita nyo rin from this room, meron tayo ditong access, then going to your balcony. So, ayan, itong ating additional space dito sa area na to. So, mapapansin nyo rin, walang masasayang na space pagdating dito sa property na to since this is also a corner lot. And from this room din, mapapansin nyo rin, meron pa rin tayo ditong extra space that will also give another spot sa property na to. So, yan, meron tayo ditong chandelier, then meron tayo dito, makikita nyo rin, matatanaw nyo rin kung sino yung tao sa baba or kung may visitors tayo. So, makikita nyo rin sila kaagad. So, from dito, makikita nyo rin, meron tayo ditong sliding door. And ang maganda rito, ito namang side na to, yung view nyo is yung swimming pool area ninyo. So kung naliligo yung visitors nyo, kids nyo, so mamomonitor nyo pa rin siya. So if you're someone na ayaw na ng hassle like building permits, work construction, so this property is worth considering. So, as we mentioned, today we're here at Solen Residences and meron tayong ready for occupancy house and lot for sale. You can avail this for only 25 million and the fully furnished, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and we have a deep pool. So, if you're interested and you want to know more details about the property we're offering here at Solen Residences, please don't hesitate to message us directly at 63-917-513-2484. I hope you enjoy our house tour today and see you soon on my next one. Bye!